Okay, so I thought I'd take a little break from unboxing mystery boxes and kind of show you one of the things we got in one of those boxes. Really cool, kind of cute. We've been getting a lot of duplicates, so in the mystery boxes. So I thought, let's give it a break for a while. Maybe after the holidays, there wouldn't be so many overstock items. So just gonna kind of play with this a little bit. Kind of pretty, isn't it? Let's see what else. What are we gonna do here? Some bright eyes. So how have you guys been doing? Hopefully okay. The holidays are coming. I haven't even started my Christmas shopping. Of course, my wife's all done, but I usually wait and wait until about the second week of December. It's all good. Let's give him some. How's that looking, guys? Pretty cute. Oh, it's kind of a heart-shaped eye there. There we go. Let's use this down here. I feel like that dude Ross on TV. Let's make some pretty clouds. Let's make it outline green. It's pretty easy when you trace, so. If anybody hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I'd love to be able to share some of our videos my wife does, and do a lot of Fundelivered mystery boxes and things like that. Alright, I gotta stop at the kitty. It's awful cute. I don't want to make this too long and boring for you guys. Okay. How's that for a finished product? I think that's kind of cute. Oh, you got, whoop, forgot it. Let's see, what's the green? Got a little line under here. Let's see, my hand's in the way sometimes. I'm so sorry about that. All right, that's the finished product. Hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe, like, or whatever. And have a wonderful holiday season coming up. For those up north, be careful of the snow. I'm sure it's going to come soon. And God bless and peace to everybody. Bye-bye.